are you ready to elevate your cleaning business to new heights? Well, I got 4 revolutionary strategies that will boost your business. Well, first, let's embrace eco-friendly products. This move isn't just great for the environment, it's what today's clients are looking for. By going green, you're not just cleaning homes, you're cleaning with a conscience, and that's a powerful business growth tool. Now, let's talk about the magic of social proof. Show those amazing before and after photos and let your happy clients spread the word. This isn't mere advertising, this is tangible evidence of your excellent service. Next, embrace technology. Implement the latest scheduling and clients management tools like Booking Koala or Clinker. Remember, being efficient isn't just about the time savings, it's about elevating your service to new levels. Lastly, personalize your service. Craft custom cleaning plans to cater your each client unique needs. By doing so, you're transformed from being just another cleaning service to an indispensable part of your clients' lives. So, are you ready to implement these strategies and revolutionize your cleaning business? Just like and follow for more business tips.